Located along the rail, the belt connects to the trolley and moves the trolley along the rails to raise and lower the garage door. The garage door won't work at all with a broken belt. If your belt is broken, you can replace it using the steps in this video. Wear work gloves to protect your hands. Now, let's get started. Unplug the garage door opener, or turn off the house circuit breaker for the garage door opener. Pull the emergency release rope to release the trolley. Shut the garage door if it's not already closed. Remove the fastener ring from the straight door arm connected to the outer trolley. Pull out the clevis pin to disconnect the garage door from the outer trolley. Lower the straight and curved arms down and rest them against the garage door. Open the light cover to access the wall control and safety sensor wires connected to the motor unit. Take a digital photo to help you reconnect the wires later. Disconnect the wall control and safety sensor wires from the motor unit. Close the light cover. Remove the nuts, bolts, and lock washers that secure the motor unit to the ceiling bracket. Support the motor unit with one hand as you remove the last bolt from the ceiling bracket. Carefully lower the motor unit down and rest it securely on top of a stepladder. Lower the motor unit down to the garage floor. Remove the fastener ring from the header bracket clevis pin. Pull the clevis pin out of the rail and header bracket while supporting the rail with one hand. Lower the rail to the garage floor. Slide the outer trolley away from the inner trolley. Loosen the spring nut to relieve belt tension. Using channel lock pliers, carefully squeeze the spring on the spring nut and trolley shaft. Unhook the trolley connector from the front of the trolley and then release the spring tension. Remove the idler pulley nut and lock washer. Pull out the idler pulley bolt and slide the idler pulley out of the rail window. Pull the belt out of the rail window. Remove the spring nut, tension spring, and nut ring from the trolley threaded shaft. Pull the trolley threaded shaft out of the trolley. Pry off the master link clip-on spring from the master link cap on the trolley threaded shaft. Pull off the master link cap and remove the master link bar to disconnect the trolley threaded shaft from the belt. Remove the screws from the belt cap on the motor unit and pull the belt cap off. Remove the belt from the garage door opener. Pass approximately 12 inches of the new belt through the rail window. Insert the idler pulley into the rail window behind the belt. Reinstall the idler pulley bolt and tighten it firmly with the lock washer and nut. Make sure the idler pulley spins freely after tightening the nut. Route the belt around the motor pulley and reinstall the belt cap, securing it with the mounting screws. Connect the trolley threaded shaft to the new belt with the flat end facing the smooth side of the belt by pushing the pins of the master link bar up through the threaded shaft mounting hole and the fitting of the new belt. Push the master link cap over the master link bar pins and past the pin notches. Slide the clip-on spring over the master link cap and onto the pin notches until both pins securely lock in place. Making sure not to twist the belt, insert the trolley threaded shaft through the hole in the trolley. While holding the belt stationary at the trolley threaded shaft, insert the nut ring and tension spring on the trolley shaft. Thread the trolley spring nut onto the trolley threaded shaft. Using channel lock pliers, compress the spring on the spring nut and trolley shaft, then hook the new belt trolley connector to the trolley retaining slot. Tighten the spring nut to tension the belt. Reconnect the rail end to the header bracket using the clevis pin and fastener ring. Carefully set the motor unit on top of the stepladder. Reinstall the motor unit to the ceiling bracket using the nuts, bolts, and lock washers. Open the light cover to access the wall control and safety sensor terminals on the motor unit. Reconnect the wall control and safety sensor wires to the motor unit. Close the light cover. Reconnect the straight door arm to the outer trolley using the clevis pin and fastener ring. Re-engage the trolley. Plug in the garage door opener, or turn on the house circuit breaker. Press and hold the black adjustment button until the up button flashes. Press and hold the up button until the door reaches the desired up position. Toggle the up and down buttons if necessary to achieve the desired position. Press and release the black adjustment button to set the up position. The garage door opener lights will flash twice, and the down button will flash. Press and hold the down button until the door is in the desired down position, toggling the up and down buttons as necessary. Press and release the black adjustment button. The garage door opener lights will flash twice, and the up button will flash. Press the up button and the door will move to the programmed up position. Then, the down button will flash. Press the down button and the door will move to the programmed down position. The programming is then complete.